Rene. Like I said kanina, paano kung ikaw lang mag-isa? Wala ka talagang group of friends na gusto mag-airsoft. So parang
Target practice na lang.
Oo, ka naman, punta ka doon mag-isa ka, tapos may sino ka baril mo, 'di ba? But pwede ba 'yon? Do you have to have like a team with you there, or can I just go there and join anyone?
Well, there are a myriad of sites naman which all you have to do is just walk in. Okay, you could syempre you're gonna register your name. You could register yourself as a lone wolf, and then people will approach you. There are a lot of people who are very approachable when it comes to airsoft. Kasi they come from different they come from different places. You know, essentially almost everyone in airsoft are walk-in players.
How did you get interested in this?
Okay, I started off airgun shooting kasi. Okay, and then I got really bored shooting at coins, metal targets. They don't really shoot back. You know, I outgrew that. So I just typed in the internet airsoft, and then all of a sudden there was a Phil Airsoft. There was a airsoft community here in the Philippines. And when I entered, well, it's very basically, they've already established themselves. You know, so all I had to do was walk in, just like I'm a walk-in player basically.
I just also want to ask, si Rap then, how did you get started here?
At 3.5 years old, di ba?
Who introduced you at 3.5? Sino nagsabi? Hindi mo na imposible naman, sir, na 3.5, sinabi niya. Gusto ko magmotor. Who introduced you to motocross?
Actually, I watched the race.
Oh, okay.
And I told my dad that I want to race.
Okay, mali ako. Tama pala.
So nakita mo sa TV, sabi mo, gusto ko yatang lumipad din, no? Oh, yes.
So why did you like motocross right away? I mean, ang dami-daming iba't ibang sports dyan na at 3.5, you would have wanted karate, taekwondo, na usually mga kids, basketball. Of all the sports, bakit motocross ang napili mo?
Because I like bikes.
You like bikes, okay.
Talagang from the very beginning, bike na ganyan na talaga ang minamaneho mo?
Yes.
Hindi wala ka pang lisensya.
Doon lang sa race.
Huwag kang bawal sa MMDA.
Okay. Well, I was gonna ask, kasi sabi nga, extreme sport. So, meron ngang dangers pa rin yan, no? Siguro dito, for the benefit of our viewers, nagkaroon na ba ng mga serious accident? No? Anong sa iyo, doon sa motocross, nagkaroon na ba sa mga race, nakakita ka na ng aksidente?
Wala pa po.
So, doon sa inyong group, yung mga bata, no? Wala naman.
Ano wala namang sakit na naranasan mo sa pagmamotocross?
Hindi ka pa naman nahulog, gano'n?
Talembang.
Pag nasa jump po, naglalanding na sumama.
Okay.
Sa inyo, doon sa airsoft, are there dangers? People getting hurt?
Yes, sir, marami.
Oo, meron. Okay, what sort of problems?
Well, from sprained ankles.
Yung sa pagtakbo-takbo.
Takbo, tumbling, and all. You also get, well, believe it or not, because they lack protection.
May mga naglalaro.
May nasusugatan talaga sa mukha. Yun, or yung pag tumama sa kamay, wala silang gloves, nagkakapantal, parang chicken pox. So, as much as possible, yun nga, safety is a prime concern when it comes to...
Nang may rules ba kayo dyan? If somebody joins an airsoft competition, tapos they don't have sufficient gear, you don't allow them, I suppose.
Yes, opo. Basically, no mask, no play.
No mask, no play.
Yeah, no mask, no play.
Right, yeah.
Similar question. Aside from just policies and rules, is there a unspoken airsoft ethic or morality among the group that you sort of follow when you're playing?
Actually, yes. It's the minimum engagement distance. For example, if your gun clocks above the average FPS power. You're only given up to a certain distance where you can shoot. If, for example, some guy comes within your shooting range and sobrang lapit na niya,
hindi mo babarilin.
You just, siguro,
lumayo ka muna para mabaril kita.
Parang pwedeng senyasan mo siya, or sabihin mo, huy, hit ka na, or,
talaga?
Instead of actually shooting, dahil delikado, no?
Yes.
And then you also said something about honor system.
Yes. Airsoft basically is revolves around the honesty system. Unlike paintball, where if you get hit,
kitang-kita.
Okay. Sa airsoft, hindi.
So dapat
Sa
pag
airsoft-
tinamaan ka, sabi,
Yeah.
you have to admit that you were
Yeah,
hit.
you
Oh.
really have to admit na tamaan ka. Actually, even to the point na kahit daplis lang, aamin ka dapat. That's
Oo.
considered a direct hit.
Oo.
Yeah.
I'm sure after the show, madami nang mag-iisip na gusto na mag-start sa motocross, gusto na mag-start sa airsoft. Kay Rap, pag meron kayong bata nanonood na gusto mag-motocross, how would they start? What can you advise them paano sila mag-start in motocross?
They should watch the professional riders and buy a bike that's lit.
Yun, buy a
Wala
bike
na
talaga.
lang.
Medyo mahal, Rap eh. Pero wala bang rent din? Hindi ka pwede mag-rent ng mga bike pag motocross?
Pwede po.
Pwede din, talaga. And, pero you start talaga, you have your own.
Yes.
Yeah, mas maganda talaga pag if you have your own. How about you, Rene?
Do you have the address of your group or phone number? Kayo ba gusto sumali?
Well, basically, all you have to do is log on to philairsoft.com.
PhilAirsoft.com.
Yeah.
One word yan, no? P-H-I-L.
Phil, F-I-L.
Oh, F-I-L, sorry.
PhilAirsoft.com.
F-I-L Airsoft.
Yeah.
.com.
This is one of many forums which feature airsoft. Ang mangyayari dito, you can research, you can ask people around where to get, where to buy, where to go to when you want to play.
Wayne, pwede ka na. Mamaya, after na show, mag-check ka na.
Hindi ata ako physically fit para doon.
Ay, yun ba yun? Yun nga, magandang question din yun eh. Kailangan ba talagang fit na fit ka? Like, for example, Secretary Rick.
Ano ko?
Isipin niya, nakakapagod magtrabaho. Minsan naman mag-airsoft ako. Pwede pa ba si Secretary Rick?
Well, we have players ranging from 3 years old, believe it or not, 3 years old, yung tinuturuan na sila ng mga tatay nila. And
Water pistol pa
up
lang
to
yun.
mga 69 years old.
69. Oh,
Yan.
wow.
So, you can join in any of the
And yung
games.
physical, sabi ni Wayne, physically fit to join. Pwede,
Well, pwede
pwede
kan-
pa, si Catherine. Diba?
Well, when it comes to fitness, you will definitely have an edge if you are athletic
Oo.
in nature. Pero if you're just there for the fun or you just want to shoot, yell at people, if you just want to have fun, you can just
Okay.
join in.
Well, tatanong ko nga, for Catherine and Princess, ang mga babae ba nag-airsoft din? And do you have, do you mix male and female in competition or you have a separate girls against girls and boys against boys? Paano yan?
Yes, sa airsoft, lalaki, babae, equal treatment.
Halo,
talaga.
pare-pareho,
Kasi
oo.
pag nakababa na ho yung mask,
Hindi na
you just look like
magkakaintindihan
any
nun.
other
Oo.
player. So actually, when it comes to women players, there are a lot.
Mm.
There are a lot. There are people na yung talagang athletic sila, female, na gusto nila naglalaro talaga. Meron naman yung mga mothers, sinasamahan nila mga anak nila.
So, pati
naglalaro.
sila naglalaro na rin.
Nakikilaro din sila, yeah.
Oo,
Yeah, we have
oo.
that, we have that.
Well, maganda itong discussion na to, and I'm sure our viewers would really like to try this out maybe. So I don't know if we will be able to do that later, pero sana may bigay natin yung some details on where they can call, o kailan ba next event nyo?
Actually, every weekend po,
Every
Saturday,
weekend
Sunday.
saan?
Madami po eh.
Where is the next one? This Sunday.
This Saturday, Sunday, yung team namin, we host a game site along the Litex Fairview Road.
Doon, sa Litex Fairview. Okay.
Litex Fairview. And aside from that, there are other teams who also host
Doon.
different game sites naman.
Sa iba.
Quezon City,
Okay.
meron po all the way up to Laguna, even
Oh.
Cebu.
But
And,
yeah. So but definitely this Sunday po, kaya yung mga mahilig diyang gusto makasubok ng putukan, no, ay pumunta po sa Litex Fairview Road dito sa may Commonwealth Avenue.
Opo, balik
at nandoon
Camp
si
Masada
Rene,
po.
no? Nandun po si Rene. Maghanap lang kayo ng may nakatakip na mukha. Baka siya yun. Kung hindi man siya,
Lagi
I'm
si
sure
Nino.
they will be able to point out kung sino yun. So tayo po ay magbe-break sumandali. At nagpasalamat po tayo sa ating mga panauhin, si Rap, si Rene, si Wayne, si Catherine, of course, Princess. At dito po ay magbe-break po na tayo. Sa pagbabalik po natin, tuloy po ang debate, sasagot po ang affirmative at negative side sa kanilang mga argumento. At mayroon din po tayong tagumpay interview maya-maya. Sa pagbabalik po ng ASK.